Amazing, you have planted a seed and you watered it just once and then ran away. Do you think it will grow? No, never, not at all. Why? Because you were not consistent. You just watered it once. And what if you planted a seeds and watered it every day? Then what will happen? The seeds will become tree and will become more stronger. So that is the power of consistency. So in this video, we are going to discuss the power of consistency, and I will share real example and my own story how I was consistently doing to both different tasks and which made me confident in my field. So hello, I am Anjali and welcome back to my channel. When I started to learning English, at the time I was really not confident. Even I used to afraid to talk to anyone. I was not that much confident to make even. I broke my comfort zone and I decided that I will talk to anyone, anyhow, no matter how much grammatical mistake I am doing. If I decided that I will have conversation, then I installed one application and I started to talk with random people. And so I had been doing the same things for 1 year. And after 1 year, I got confident. I got confident to talk to anyone. And still I am learning English and I'm trying to each and every day to learn something new. As you know that no one is perfect in this world, so I can't say that I'm perfect. So every day I learn something new and I did mistake, I learned from my mistake, and but now I got this confidence that where I can hold conversation. I never afraid to talk to anyone. If I don't know anything, I know how to handle the situation if you're not getting the topic what the person are talking to you. So that is the fluency. Fluency doesn't mean that you have to be perfect and grammatical perfect, right? Fluency means whatever the thoughts in your inner side, if you are able to make them understand, if you are able to make others understand that's what's your thought, and if you are able to convey your thought, that is fluency, right? So that is what people need to, for initial stage, people need to learn them understand your thought, what you are thinking. And it doesn't mean that you have to speak fastly. Earlier I used to do, and still sometimes I try to speak fastly. If you will try to speak fast, then you would not be able to make correct sentence because you do not get much time to think about the sentence what you want to say. But if you take pause in between, then you will get enough time to think about the sentence. So all these rule I followed, and that's changed my life, and I was consistent there, right? So I had been consistently practicing my English journey, English level, English practice, and now I'm quite confident when I talk to anyone. And still there is gigantic room for improvement. I will learn something over time, definitely. And my second story that I want to tell you, that when I was in my school time, I was really poor in mathematics. When teachers give me any mathematical concept to solve, I just run away from there because I really afraid to how to solve that concept. Because when I was at 9th, 10th standard at a time, I was not aware to do study. I used to play with my friend, but I don't know how I got good score at my 10th examination. I got good score. I didn't get clarity regarding the concept of mathematics. But now, as I'm preparing for one day examination, then if you want job in government sector, then definitely you should have clear your concept first. So now there's a compulsion. I have to clear my concept. Then I thought, like few years back, I thought like how can I get 20 out of at least 40 to 50 in maths? You will have to prepare for maths subject. So I was not good at math. Then I decided 17 to 18 mathematical chapter I started to learn. Consistently 1 year of practice, I practiced 18 chapter multiple times. Sometime I used to know the answer of the question that I'm going to solve, but I didn't know the process of it. I was not aware of the process. I just know the answer because I have practiced it multiple times, right? So that's why. But I kept one thing in my mind, that I will do practice until I know the concept and the process. So now when I see any question, when I see any mathematical concept, I suddenly know that which concept I can use to solve this question, because I have practiced multiple times just to in one question. So that is the power of consistency. When you think like any subject is not good for you, or misunderstanding something, so practice is the thing. If you will do consistently, then you can change everything, whatever is happening in your life. So that is the power of consistency. We think that nothing is happening surrounding us. We are practicing, we are doing the same thing multiple times, nothing is happening. That's, you are completely wrong. Something is happening internally, but you are not getting the result. But once you done it completely, then you'll definitely see the result in front of you. So don't just believe in yourself and do practice, and don't blame others. Whatever is happening with you, just take your own responsibility and do practicing. And whatever you decided to do, just be consistent over there, and don't accept the result so fast. To keep patience and be consistent there. Consistency is the key of success. If you want to get success in your life, then you have to hold one thing, that is consistency. Thank you so much for